Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how you will be working with your interactive ESOL or ESOL notebook. So this is what it looks like, and it has many pages. So this is your title page. This is where you will write. You will write your name and your class. For example, ESOL 1, ESOL 2, period 3, period 4, period 25. So make sure it is yours. Make sure it's saved. Make sure where you find it in your Google Docs. You will be working with it every single day. So if you click on the next page, it's going to tell you daily diary. This is where you will be working on your warm up every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for at least 10 minutes. This is where you will be writing. So we're going to the next page. You will find this picture in your explanation for daily assignments. So this is where you will be inserting a link for your Google Docs. For example, when you work on week 1, this will be this week starting today and it will be finished on Friday. You will be embedding week 1 right here and you will write your dates. So today is August 17th. So you will write August 17th. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, August 17th through 21, comma, year 2020. So this is how you will do it. You will need to first open a new Google Doc. So we're going to do it like this. I'm going to close what I have here and I'm going to open a new Google Doc, brand new. Says blank. I'm going to click on the sign plus. It says untitled document, so I need to make sure it has a name. So I'm going to click on rename and I'm going to put in ESOL, let's just say 1. If you ESOL 2, you will say ESOL 2. ESOL 1, week 1, oops, and I misspelled it, week 1, daily diary, DD. So now that I have a name for my document, I'm going to write in this document every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So for example, today is Monday. Today is my first day to work on my daily diary. I'm going to write, today is Monday, August 17th, 2020. And I'm going to say, I woke up early because I was excited. So, and then I'm going to continue writing. I have to write for 10 minutes. So make sure you set your timer and write for 10 minutes. You have to write in English. So after you write for 10 minutes in your daily diary, you're going to go right here where it says share, click on it. You will find where it says get the link, and you will make sure that you change your link to San Antonio Independent School District. Click on it. So now anyone in our school district can open your document to read it. But of course, nobody but you and me will be opening this Google Doc to read what you wrote. It's just you and me. So now I'm going to click on copy link. I'm done. And I'm going back to my ESOL notebook, my interactive notebook. I'm going to highlight my week 1. I'm going to click on link right here. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to click on apply. So after I embed my link in here, every time you go to write in your Google Doc, there it is. You don't have to do anything else. Every time you write here, it automatically saves right here. And when you submit your interactive notebook at the end of the week on Friday, all of your hard work, everyday writing will be saved right here. So this is for your daily writing, for your warm-up. And you have for your week 1, for your week 3, 4, 5, every single day. If you want to add some pictures, some videos about something that happened a specific day, you will be inserting it right here. So this is your empty blank page. You will go on insert, image, and you can upload from computer. So whatever photos or videos you saved on your computer, you can upload it right here. Or you can go to camera and take a picture or record something right here as well. Next one, spelling. In your Google Slides, where you will have a spelling page, it will give you spelling assignments every single week. So every week, when you are taking notes, when you're writing your words 3 times each, when you are translating your words, when you are writing definitions for your words, when you are writing sentences, anything you do for spelling that week will be also done in Google Docs. And you will have to also save that link, that where it says share, and you will have to put it right here, week 1. Again, click on a link symbol and paste your link in here. So every time you work on your spelling words, it will be automatically saved in your interactive notebook. So when you submit it to me, all of your work is submitted. Your spelling work, your vocabulary work, and your daily diary work, everything will be submitted at the same time. You don't have to submit many assignments, just one, this one. So it's the same way it goes for all of the weeks of the unit. And here, when you are working on your spelling, if you want to remember a certain word because it's difficult, you can find image for this word. For example, you have a word that you absolutely cannot remember what it is. So you can insert text box. So you can write what this word is. For example, awesome. And now you can insert image and you can search the web. And right here, you're going to put awesome. And you can choose any picture you like so you can remember what awesome actually looks like. And we lost our page here. There we go. Let's go back. So let's just say I really like this image. Awesome. And all you have to do, click on it and then click on insert, the blue bar right here where it says insert, and it's going to automatically insert it here. This way you will be able to put any words that you have trouble with and have a visual for each and every one of them. Next part, let's close this one, we don't need any more, is vocabulary. So again, in your Google Slides, on your vocabulary page, you have links for every week. So if you click on link 1, you will go directly to unit 1 that you will be working on this particular week, starting today and finishing on Friday. So when you are clicking on all of your assignments, oh, look at this, it tells you what to do. It tells you homework, classwork, and then the quiz that you have to take. So when you are clicking on your vocabulary, it's going to take you to a different website. You will have to copy and write down your words and definitions. Make sure that you always listen how every word and every definition is pronounced. Practice saying them, please. It's very important. Work with synonyms, work with antonyms. Go through all of the steps that are provided in your vocabulary on that website. On Thursday, you will take your practice quiz. And if you miss some of the words, please go back and go over your definitions again, because on Friday, you will be taking an actual quiz. So after you go through all of the steps and you're absolutely positive you're ready to take your quiz because you are so ready, you click on this page and your quiz is right here. And I will teach you how to take this quiz writing right here on the page on Thursday, day before you take your quiz. I'm going to have a special video recorded just for you and posted in Canva so you can watch it, figure out what to do, how to do it. Don't worry about it until Friday. I need you to concentrate on your new words and their definitions and the ability to use those words when you try to speak. Of course, then we have additional things like writing and grammar. So whatever notes you are taking when you're working on your grammar, which will be another site that you will be working on, and it's called No Red Ink. That's what it looks like. If you feel like taking notes, if you feel like writing something down, you will be able to do it. And again, put it right here in your grammar. So right here, you can say grammar notes for punctuation and write down all of the rules that you want to make sure you remember, or grammar notes for verbs or notes for irregular verbs. And you can write them down right here. So you can always go back and take a look and help yourself remembering everything so much better. Here, you will also attach your writing assignment. So the very first writing you will be working on this week is my family. In ELDA and ESOL, you will be writing about your family. This is where you will introduce yourself. You will help everybody else to know a little bit more about you, because you don't know everybody yet. Even though maybe you've seen some of the kids from last year, trust me, we will have new kids in this class. So next thing, we have composition. So when you are writing your papers, when you are writing your stories, my autobiography, my family, anything that you will be writing, it will be right here. So when you are working with me on Zoom face to face, you will be going through lessons and steps, what I want you to do. And this is where we will be working. You will be posting your rough draft. You will be putting all of your links in here. I will explain to you step by step what needs to be done and how. Here we have reading. So any notes you take when you go to actively learn and work on your reading, anything you want to write down, anything you want to take notes on, you want to have a visual, you will be posting in this part right here. This is where we will also be taking notes, and I will be sharing with you anchor charts. For example, multi-meaning words, or what is autobiography, how autobiography is different from biography, how autobiography is different from memoirs, and so on and so forth. This will be our workbook with taking notes. When we have new lessons for Unit 1, like perspective and story map, we will be working in your interactive notebook as well. So hopefully this will help you to figure out what needs to be done in your notebook on daily basis. This will be your best friend. Make sure you do not delete the copy, because if you delete your copy in your drive, you're gonna have to start all over again. Make sure it doesn't happen. So hopefully you don't have any more questions. If you do, please go to your Canvas. Please request a conference with me, and I will be more than happy to get with you one-on-one or in small group and explain everything again and work with you step by step what needs to be done and how. I hope I will see you soon in Zoom. Bye.